Viewers, today we'll start the Java training and to start with we'll start with Java 8, and in Java 8 one of the popular features that has been added, one of the popular library that has been added is Java 8 Stream API. Now what it does, so the addition of Java Stream was one of the major feature added in Java 8. A stream does not store data. In that sense, it is not a data structure. It also never modifies the underlying data source. They simply return a new stream. All the classes and interfaces of this API is in the java.util.stream package. Okay. By using streams, we can perform various aggregate operations on the data returned from collections, arrays, input or output operations. All the stream operations are lazy in nature, which means they are not executed until they are needed. Now, to understand all the benefits, let's deep dive into the coding. Okay, so here I have created a list. This is the normal list that we used to do, used to have previously as well. Now, how to create a stream from this list? So, list.stream. This will create a stream of this list. Okay, and I am using this filter API to collect. If the list is not empty, it will return me another list. Okay, previously we used to add a if condition and then do this. Okay, we'll see more on filters, and then what I'll do, I'll try to iterate this list. Now see, this is single line in which you can print the list. Previously, for using for each 3 to 4 lines of code needs to be written, but now only single line will iterate this. Okay, let me see how it works. So you can see gets printed here. Okay, so you can see this gets printed. Okay, single line, using single line you can iterate it. This makes life so easier. Now we'll see some more useful things related to which is available here. Okay, now let's see. We'll see first map method in this string. This map method is used to map each element to its corresponding result. Okay, what it means, let's see in through program. Now I have created a list which contains 5 elements. Okay, and what I will do is square of each. Okay, and then I will store it. To create an square of each of the each of the variables value which is available in the list. Previously we need to write 3 to 4 lines of code. Now it can be done in a single line. Okay, let's see how it works, this map functions. So first this list, we create a stream of it, then I have used the map method and I've just multiplied it with the same number and then store it. Okay, 149600 gets printed here. Okay, this is how the map works, map method. Now we'll see the filter method. We have already seen filter method previously, so I'll again use this employee list. Okay, we have seen how map method works. Now we'll see how the filter method works. So we have already seen how to create a string, use filter method, and this time I'm using filter to do the count. Okay, so this is how I can count how many element is available in a given list. Okay, remember we are not modifying anything. Okay, this count is 2. So here what it counts is empty. only the empty part it counts. So there are two empty, so it is empty, it counts 2. Okay, now I will comment it out. The next method available with stream is limit. Okay, suppose you have so many numbers in the list and you want to limit the processing to 5 iterations only. So this is how this limit method can work. Okay, now in random, I'm trying to generate a random number, but I will limit it to 5. So only 5 random number should get generated. Okay, this is how limit works. You can restrict the number of iterations. This is how you can do the count. Okay, now if you want to do sorting, so I have created a non-sorting list. Okay, and using the sorting method, how easily it can the list will get sorted. We'll see here. We'll create a stream first, then use the sorted method like how you use print. We have used limit or we have used filter. We can use stream method. You can use sorted, and you can see this gets sorted here. This is non-sorted here as an input, and output is the sorted list. Okay. So we have seen how sorted method works with words here. Now let me okay. Now we'll try to see parallel processing. So with Stream API, parallel processing is also available. How to do parallel processing? You just need to call this parallel stream. Instead of stream, just call parallel stream, and it will create a separate thread. Okay. So on multi-core processor, separate thread can run. Okay. Here I'm doing the same thing. I'm counting the empty. Okay, but on a separate thread. Okay, this returns the same thing, but it runs on a separate thread. And how easily it can be done? You just need to call this parallel stream method. Okay, we'll see now how collectors method work here. Okay, now collectors are used to combine the result of processing on the elements of a stream. Okay, it is used to combine the results, means more than two results can be merged together. Okay, so here I have created a list. Okay, now I'm filtering it. Okay, filtered can be printed using this, and then the merged can be printed using this. Okay, here I'm doing the merge. Okay, I'm just joining here. So merging is also so easily can be done. Filtered and merged. Okay, now in the last we'll see how the statistics works. Okay, and the stats, as we know, mathematical operations, you can find the highest number in a list, lowest number, sum of all numbers, okay, average of all numbers. You don't need to write a separate functions or methods or iterate list separately to do all this. Okay, using a stream, you can easily get a stats object, and you can get mean, max, sum, average, everything. Okay, so I've created a list of 6 elements. And then what I'm doing, I'll create a stream. Okay, and then I'll get the summary statistics. Okay, and using these objects I can get the mean, max, average and all. Let's run it. So I can see highest number, sum of all numbers, how easily I can get. Okay, so the stream API is very helpful very handy in processing business logic. So many mostly used on service layer so, of programming. Okay, all the APIs that I have used, everything is available inside the util package. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode with some more Java features. Thank you so much.